Hello and welcome to Google Classroom. Today I'm going to show you guys how to log in and give you some tips for navigating it. To start by logging in, you're going to want to open your internet browser. Today I will be using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you would like. You could use Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, whatever you are most comfortable with. The first thing we need to do is log into Google. I think this is easiest to do through Gmail, but in Google Chrome you can also log in. If you are using one of your home devices, please make sure you're logged in with your school ID. Oftentimes, your home devices are linked to your personal email, and you won't be able to access our Google Classroom with your personal email. To remind you, your school email is always going to start with the numbers 2001, and then there's going to be four numbers after it, and then it'll be at appublicschools.com. So make sure you're logged in with your school email. Once you're logged in, you can go to your Gmail and you can find the email that I've sent you that invites you to our Google Classroom and click the link. But if you're having trouble finding that email, I can show you another way to get to it. So you're going to click this little box of dots up here. I like to call it a waffle. And in the waffle, you should be able to find Google Classroom right here. And you can click that. If that doesn't work for you, in your URL bar, you can type classroom.google.com, and that will also take you to Google Classroom. Once we're on our homepage, you might not have any classes here, and that is A-OK. So you can go to Join a Class. Now, I'm the teacher of this class, so I'm not able to join it, but I am going to put the code on the screen so you can join our class. Our code is LZMVZGU. Remember, that is an L right there. L as in llama. So go ahead and join our class right now. After you've typed that in, click join. Now on your home page, you should be able to see our Google Classroom. When you're ready to enter, go ahead and click on it. And this is where you will see the stream for our classroom. On the stream, I will post different announcements for you guys. Right now, there's a little get to know me. On the stream, you can make posts to ask me questions, and you can also reply to your classmates down here. Please remember, I can see everything that you post. When it's time for us to start doing classwork, you will be able to find all of it on the classwork tab. Your classwork will not pop up in the stream. So when you go to your classwork tab, the first thing you're going to see is at the top, I've got something called important links. And this is where you're going to find all of the websites that we use most often. For example, we're going to use Khan Academy, Edmentum, and Power Spelling almost every day. So this is where you can find those links easily. To go to Power Spelling, you would just click on it, click the little link down here, and it will take you right to the website. Now, you will need a different login for this website, but don't worry, I will have all of that information in your planner for you. I will also always have our weekly story here. So when you click this link, you will find a YouTube video of someone reading our story for the week. The reason I post this here is because you are not allowed to take our textbooks home. So this will give you access to the weekly story at home. If you're doing homework, you can use it. If you can't really remember the story, or if you are absent, this is a great tool to use. I will always leave the story up for 2 weeks. That way you can go back and check it out if you had a missing assignment. Below important links, you will see our activities for the day. For today, it's just an icebreaker. Typically, you will see the date of the day and then the different assignments for you to do. So let's look at today's assignment, our icebreaker, classroom favorites. Go ahead and click on classroom favorites, and then you're going to click the link down there. Yours may look a little different because this is the teacher view. Unfortunately, I was not able to gain access to the student view. I would like you to click on the Jamboard and complete today's assignment. After you have read the instructions and completed today's assignment, please don't forget to go back and click Turn It In. That is super important so that I am able to grade your work. Some of our assignments on Google Classroom will be graded automatically. Others, you will have to wait for me to grade them, but you will always be able to see your grade when I return it back to you. Don't worry if you're still a little bit confused. We will be practicing Google Classroom a lot this year. I hope this video helped you out. Bye.